Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by uploading the video and setting visibility to private. This is essential because YouTube has no password feature. Once uploaded, open the video's visibility settings and select private. Make sure to save changes. You need the exact Google account email addresses for every viewer, since private restricts playback to signed-in accounts you choose. Do this now so you control access. It's the only built-in method that restricts viewing to specific people. Once done, click Share with specific people and add each viewer's Google account email. You can type multiple addresses or paste a Google group. Make sure to set their permission to viewer so they can only watch. Explain to recipients they must sign into the same Google account you listed, otherwise they will be denied. If you need many viewers, use a Google group to simplify management. Once added, group members inherit the viewing permission immediately. To finish, test access by asking one recipient to sign in and play the video, confirm playback, and fix any account mismatches. If you truly need a password rather than Google account control, use an external host that supports password protection and embed or link from your site. This is the only practical alternative. If someone reports access denied, ask them to verify they're signed in to the exact email you added. That single mismatch is the most common problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.